Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to part 2 of the acne series. In the previous videos, we talk about what acne is in general, and in this video today, in part 2 of this video, we'll be talking about why treatment is not working out yet. We will cover out the actual process from when you start to apply your acne treatment to when you see clear results, and what some changes that will happen during the course and what they mean to the treatment. So if you're someone who has been struggling with acne and you want to know why you're dealing with certain inconsistencies or delays in seeing clear results, then make sure you stick to this video to the very end, because I'll be giving you tips and how to know if your treatment is working and for how long you will have to wait to see visible results. So without further ado, let's get into the video. If you started treating acne and nothing is changing, or maybe it is even getting worse, this is where most people give up. But what if I told you that your treatment is actually working? One of the most frustrating things about acne is doing everything, using the products consistently, following that perfect routine, and still seeing no results. It makes you feel like nothing is working at all, but most people don't know how long actually acne takes to form. And if you would know how long acne actually takes to form, then you would understand that seeing clear visible results is not just something that can happen within days. The pimple you're seeing today did not actually start today. It started forming weeks before you even noticed. And this is where most people don't understand what progress looks like. Your skin goes about a natural cycle that takes about 3 to 4 weeks. So even if your treatment is already working, the clogged pores that were already formed previous are still going to come to the surface, which means you will still break out even if your skin is improving underneath. And sometimes it can even look worse before it starts getting better. So I actually put together a simple guide which breaks down each stage of acne and what treatments to use for each stage. If you're interested in this simple routine guide and acne treatment guide, make sure to check it in the description box below. So once you start treatment, you may see your skin breaking out even more. This process is called purging. When you start treatments like retinol or exfoliating acids, they speed up your skin cell turnover. So all the hidden clogged pores come up faster. It feels like your acne is getting worse, but actually your skin is cleaning itself up. But here's the important thing, not every breakout between treatment is purging. So you have to be very careful to know if the breakout you're experiencing between your treatment, is it purging or is it a new breakout which is not related to the treatment that you're currently going with. If new acne appears on new areas or it continues for a very long time, then it might not be purging. It could mean the treatment is not right for your skin, or something else is still triggering your acne. So how do you actually know if your treatment is working? Real improvement in acne looks like this: fewer new breakouts, less inflammation, and gradual clearing over time. Not overnight results, not instant perfection. Acne treatment is not about quick results. It is about consistency and understanding what your skin is going through. And most people quit early before even the skin starts improving. So expect to see your acne clearing out from your face in a period of 4 weeks to 6 weeks, and sometimes maybe even 8 weeks. In the next video, I will break down the overall timeline of acne, what your skin is doing week by week, so you actually understand what stage your acne is. This will help you to choose the right treatment plan, because treatment differs with the stage of your acne. That was all for today. I hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions or comments, suggestions, you're free to put them in the comment section below. I'll be very happy to hear them out. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to others so that they will benefit from the content too. Also, if you've been struggling with acne and you wish to have a simplified routine on how to treat your acne, knowing the stages and which kind of products to use, don't hesitate to check out my product. The link is in the description box below. Until the next one, bye.